The Gwalior administration has imposed Section 163 ahead of the October 15 protest planned by the High Court Bar Association and Parshuram Sena. The protest is over. The demand to style Dr. B.R. Ambedkar statue at the High Court. Now no rally, march or public gathering can take place without permission. Police conducted mock drills to handle any law and order situation. District administration said the step was taken as a precaution to maintain peace and security in the city during the sensitive period. Madhya Pradesh Congress Chief Jeetu Patwari has accused Deputy CM Rajendra Shukla of links with a drug dealer named Sonu Rana. Patwari claimed Rana and the Health Minister's PA are involved in deals between pharma companies and the State Health Department. He demanded a CBI probe, removal of the Health Secretary and FIR against drug controller. Patwari said the BJP government is protecting people who misuse power for money. Ruling party has dismissed his claim as politically motivated. In Bhopal, the state's Principal Secretary Sanjay Dubey and Municipal Commissioner Sanskriti Jain inspected the city's damaged roads on Saturday. They visited Pul Bogra, Trilanga Hoshangabad Road and 12 numbers stopped to review repair work. Officials also checked housing for all projects in some areas. The inspection aimed to ensure road safety and quality after public complaints. Dubey directed officials to fix potholes quickly and warned of strict action for negligence. The team travelled together to check the city's infrastructure in detail. A major power failure hit Bhopal's JP Hospital on Saturday morning, forcing doctors to stop surgeries midway. The electricity went out just before an operation and staff had to use torches to treat patients. Dialysis of 8 patients also stopped. Investigation found that diesel were not filled in the generator, causing the blackout. Power returned after 1 hour 14 minutes. For over an hour's wards, ICU and operation theatres were in total darkness. Patients suffered from heat and suffocation during the outage. Hundreds of activists, writers and teachers gathered at Ambedkar Ground in Bhopal to protest recent attack on democracy, including the shoe-throwing incident at the Chief Justice of India. The day-long Rashtriya Nyaya Satyagraha started at 10 am and ended at 5 pm. Protesters sent a memorandum to the President and the Supreme Court demanding transparent action. They also condemned the arrest of activist Sonam Wangchuk, calling both incidents symbol of growing intolerance. The event remained peaceful and drew strong public support. In Bhopal, 2 police constables Santosh Bamania and Saurabh Arya have been booked for murder after allegedly beating DSP Ketan Adlak's brother-in-law Udit to death. The FIR was registered early Saturday morning, soon after both accused went underground to avoid arrest. Police officials said search operations are underway. The case has sparked anger within the force and the victim's family. Senior officers have promised strict action. Authorities are also checking CCTV footage and witness statements to track the suspect. In Bhopal district, 113 people including colonizers, farmers and builders will face FIRs for illegally developing colonies on farmland. Officials said plots were sold without legal approval. When notices were issued, most developers failed to produce valid documents before the collector's court. Authorities have identified all locations and will soon begin legal action. The administration said such illegal plotting harms urban planning and buyers' rights. The move is part of a statewide drive to stop land fraud and illegal construction. During the Amrit Samvad program at Bhopal railway station, passengers raised several issues before DRM Pankaj Tyagi and senior officials. Complaints included overcharging, dirty coaches and lack of space in sleeper compartments. Some said half the coaches are used for parcel, reducing seat for travellers. Railway officials assured better cleanliness, improved staff behaviour and crowd management. The DRM said Indian Railway is continuously working to enhance safety, comfort and facilities for passengers in all major routes and trains. The weather across Madhya Pradesh remained mixed on Saturday. Eastern districts saw cloudy skies and light drizzle, while Bhopal, Indore and Ujjain had bright sunshine. Night temperatures continued to fall, with more than 25 cities recording below 20 degrees Celsius. The IMD said a weak system near Chhattisgarh caused minor rain in Rewa, Shahdol and Sindhi. People in central MP enjoyed pleasant weather during the day. The department said winter-like condition may appear soon as temperatures gradually dip this week.